serial number for each product. How you will control? There is an option in retail data billing software, not option, the detailed technology. Yes. When you are selling a product, the particular serial number will print in the invoice. Different. For example, product 1 and different serial number will print over there. How it work? Let me show you. You can go directly to purchase entry. Select any supplier over here. Click on the supplier and go to a new product. You can add a new product here itself in the purchase entry. Like for example, computer mouse. Okay, and purchase price, for example, 100 rupees. Opening stock, for example, I'm putting 1 piece here. Or you can put a 0 also. There is 0 option also is there, yes. 0 and MRP, for example, 500 and sale price is 450 rupees. Okay, enter. Successfully saved. 0 quantity message came. Okay. And here you can search that product, computer mouse. Computer mouse, click on enter. And in the quantity section, I am going to change it like 4 pieces. Look at the quantity. 4 pieces I am adding to the cart. It's added and you can save it directly. But you need to add 4 different serial number for these products. How can we do that? Go there. Here in the top, when you are entering the serial number, it will go to the corresponding products. You can even scan through barcode scanner as well. For example, 1, 2, 3, 5. See, it's gone there directly. See, 1, 2, 3, 5. It will come down like that. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 8. Like that. And click on settle button. Successfully settled and click on the save button. Successfully saved. And when you are going to sell the product, go to the sales panel, and when you are searching COMP computer mouse, when you are clicking enter, it will ask from which serial number you want to sell it. There is so many things are there. I am selling from this serial number and I am making invoice directly. This is 3-inch invoice. Here you will see that particular serial number also. See? Now, if we are taking, the bill design to A4 size, I will change the invoice style. Look at this. This is, I think, it's a beautiful style. Apply and going again, billing, COMPU, computer mouse. And for example, I am entering. There is 3 only remaining. The other we already sold out. See, from which serial number you want to sell, you can sell it. Or you have another option. Even if you scan that serial number directly in the barcode scanner, 1, 2, 3, 6, for example, I am cleaning it. Click on the new. Click on the new. Directly 1, 2, 3, 6 for serial number and 1, 2, 3, 6. See, it came directly. Even if you scan from the directly from the 1, 2, 3, 7. See, 1, 2, 3, 8. You understand, no? And click on the quick pay button. Look at that. Look at that. I will double it. See, 1 computer mouse, but different serial numbers came here. Quantity total 3, everything. See, 1,350. And even you can change the bill design over here if you want to change. Apply. And if you want to make a reprint, go to the old bill and print it. See, in different format, again that came. Means you already make the invoice, and if you want to make the bill template design, of course, it's possible. And that is Retail Daddy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.